How to return item in TikTok Shop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, at the bottom, you'll find Shop. Click on Shop at the bottom, which will lead you to TikTok Shop. Click on Orders at the top. Then select Request Refund or Return Items. Then select the reason for returning and press on Continue at the bottom. Then select Drop-off Location and press on Save at the bottom. Then select your refund method. I have selected Apple Pay. Click on Submit, and as you can see, once you return, your request is approved and you should drop by only this date. If this date crosses, your refund will be cancelled. This is how to return item in TikTok Shop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.